If you've ever used ChatGPT to assist you with writing, then you need to do this now. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you actually know what ChatGPT remembers about you? If your answer is no to this question, then there is a problem. What if I told you ChatGPT remembers more than you think? Imagine ChatGPT having all this memory of you that you're not even aware that it is keeping. Isn't that scary? Right now, I'm going to show you how to uncover what ChatGPT knows about you and take back control of what you let it to know, because it might shock you. To test this, I told ChatGPT to tell me things about myself from the conversations I've had with it over time that I don't even know. And the result of this exercise actually wowed me. Stay with me on this one, and I will show you how to forget ChatGPT memories of you and take back control of your AI interactions before it's too late. This actually came to my attention when I kept on getting this error message from ChatGPT. ChatGPT memory is full. You can forget existing memories to make space. I didn't even know ChatGPT was keeping any memories of me. So I went to my icon here and clicked on settings and came over here where it says personalization, and you will see memories. It says my memory is 100% full. New memories won't be created and all that. You can forget existing memory to make space. And I clicked on manage. Then I saw that all these memories of me, ChatGPT, were just keeping that I wasn't even aware of. My God. Can you even imagine? It has all these memories of me that I'm not even aware of that is keeping. So I went through each of them. I started deleting the ones I didn't want it to keep. If you see the one you don't want, if you finish with it, just click on the delete icon and it says forget, and that memory of it is deleted. Once you're done deleting all the memories from here that you don't want ChatGPT to have of you, then you can take back control of what you feed to it. From time to time, you go back to this place and see what it has kept again. So you have control of what you're letting on with ChatGPT and what you don't want it to keep in its memory. But if you don't want it to keep any memory of you, you can just go back here and toggle this place off. That way you're not storing any memories. It doesn't know anything about it. Just come chat and go. I hope this video helps. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.